So today I'm going to start fitting up the front end of this 65 Mustang. We're going to be putting on the fenders, the right and left fender, hood hinges, and then we're going to put the hood on, get that to close, somewhat close. I'm going to line up the back of the fenders with the doors first and bolt all that tight so that won't move throughout putting the front end on, because it does twist and turn the fender. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to start on this side, put this fender up on there, bolt it down, move to the other side, and then the hood. So let's get started. Just a short video for today here on the 65. I got the fenders and the hood lined up to each other. So the next thing that I got to do tomorrow is headlight buckets and fender extensions and front valance, upper lower stone guard. Tie all that together to bring the whole front end together and finish that off. Once that's done, I'll also put on the quarter extensions in the back, trunk lid, rear valance, line all those up. And then the last thing I'll do is go back and adjust all the gaps. So I'm just getting everything roughed in now. So you see from that video, the lines aren't perfect yet, but that'll all work out here once I get back on those in the end to line up everything. Because even whenever I'm putting on these fender extensions, sometimes you twist the fender a little bit and it'll throw off the back of the fender. Everything works together. So I wait until the end to do all those gaps final. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow, is finishing bolting everything on. That will take most of the day, and then another day to do all the gaps. But it's getting real close. It should be done, hopefully it'll be done this week. If you're interested, send me an email. It will be for sale. A bunch of people reached out, so it probably won't last long, especially once it's done and you see it all together. And I do have some interior for this car, some original stuff, all the fiberglass wraparound pieces, fold down seat. So just let me know. My email will be down below. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and there's a bell up there that lets you know. If you hit that, it'll let you know every time that I upload a video, so you can watch it right away. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in tomorrow's.